Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Firecrawl, an API designed to turn entire websites into clean, LLM-ready data. It's gaining massive traction because it tackles the huge challenge of web scraping and data cleaning for AI applications. This allows developers to feed structured content directly into their models, dramatically simplifying how we build data-aware AI. What if you could extract data from any website, not with complex code, but with a simple sentence? There's a project on GitHub that has attracted over 80,000 stars by doing exactly that. It acts as a translator between human intent and the web's chaotic data. This isn't just another take on web scraping, it's about fundamentally changing how artificial intelligence accesses real-time information. The project is called Firecrawl. Developed by the team of the same name, it's an API designed to turn entire websites into clean, structured data, ready for large language models, or LLMs. Its growth has been nothing short of explosive, accumulating nearly 82,000 stars on GitHub, with almost 400 added in just the last day. This rapid adoption signals that Firecrawl is solving a major and very timely problem for developers building the next wave of AI applications. For decades, web scraping has been a tedious chore. Developers fought with brittle CSS selectors, struggled to render JavaScript-heavy websites, and managed rotating proxy servers just to avoid getting blocked. After all that, they still spent countless hours cleaning messy HTML. The rise of AI has added a new layer of difficulty. Raw web data is incredibly noisy and inefficient for LLMs to process. Most existing solutions were built for a pre-AI world. Firecrawl's unique angle is that it addresses this entire pipeline. It doesn't just fetch data, it transforms it. It handles all the complexities of modern web crawling and delivers content in a clean, AI-friendly Markdown format. In effect, it bridges the last mile between the live web and the AI model. So, how does it work? Firecrawl's architecture is a masterclass in using the right tool for the right job. Think of it as a highly specialized factory. At the front door is an API gateway built with TypeScript and Node.js, which is excellent at managing thousands of concurrent requests. But when a heavy-duty task arrives, like crawling a complex site, the gateway passes it to a high-performance engine written in Rust. Rust's focus on speed and memory safety makes it the perfect choice for the demanding work of parsing web pages. This combination of Node.js for I, O, and Rust for computation is a modern, highly efficient design. To handle websites that rely heavily on JavaScript, Firecrawl uses a headless browser. This is essentially a web browser like Chrome, but without any graphical user interface, allowing it to run on a server. This robot browser can click buttons, fill out forms, and wait for content to load, just like a person would. This capability is absolutely crucial for scraping modern web applications. And for large-scale jobs, like crawling an entire website, Firecrawl uses an asynchronous task queue. This allows it to work quietly in the background without tying up resources, and then simply notify the user when the job is done. The primary users here are developers building AI-powered systems. For instance, a developer creating a RAG system, which stands for retrieval-augmented generation, can use Firecrawl to feed an AI the latest company documentation. This ensures the AI provides answers based on the most current information, not on outdated training data. Another powerful use case is building autonomous AI agents. A developer can integrate Firecrawl's agent feature, allowing the AI to execute natural language commands like find the pricing plans for Notion. The agent will then autonomously search the web, navigate to the correct page, and extract the requested information into a structured format. Getting started is also designed to be straightforward. Firecrawl provides an API that can be called with a simple command, and its official SDKs for Python and Node.js automate many of the complexities, such as polling for asynchronous job completion. Community reception has been overwhelmingly positive, particularly within the AI development space. Developers consistently praise its performance, noting its speed and the cost savings from its clean Markdown output, which reduces the number of tokens sent to an LLM. The agent feature is frequently highlighted as a game changer for building intelligent agents that can navigate the web. However, it's not without criticism. Some on platforms like Hacker News have pointed to a complex pricing model that combines credits and tokens, making costs hard to predict. Others note that the open-source version lacks some key features of the paid cloud service, like advanced proxy management, which pushes users toward the commercial offering. Looking deeper, while Firecrawl is a powerful tool, its design does introduce some potential challenges. Its multi-language architecture, while performant, also increases maintenance complexity, requiring expertise across TypeScript, Rust, and Go. The reliance on headless browsers is a double-edged sword. It enables the scraping of dynamic sites, but it also consumes significant CPU and memory resources, making it costly to scale. Furthermore, as a high-profile scraping service, Firecrawl is a prime target for increasingly sophisticated anti-bot technologies. This locks it into a perpetual cat-and-mouse game with websites, raising long-term questions about sustainability against evolving web defenses and the persistent legal gray areas surrounding large-scale data scraping. In the end, Firecrawl represents a significant evolution in web data extraction. It successfully abstracts away the messy mechanics of scraping and reframes the problem as a simple data sourcing task for AI. It is more than just a crawler. It is a purpose-built data pipeline connecting the unstructured, real-time web to the structured world of artificial intelligence. For anyone building applications that need to be aware of the world as it is right now, this project is a critical piece of infrastructure to watch.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.